In this video, I'll show you how to watch Peacock in 4K Ultra HD. Step 1. Have a Premium or Premium Plus subscription. Only paid Peacock plans, Premium with ads or Premium Plus without ads, support 4K Ultra HD streaming. Step 2. Use a compatible 4K Ultra HD device. Confirm your device supports 4K Ultra HD playback on Peacock. Supported devices vary. Check device manufacturer and Peacock Help Center. Step 3. Check for 4K badge on content. Select titles with the 4K UHD badge. Not all content on Peacock is available in 4K. Step 4. Ensure your internet speed is sufficient. Peacock recommends a steady internet speed of at least 8 megabytes per second for 4K Ultra HD streaming. Step 5. Confirm app and device settings. Keep your Peacock device and app firmware updated. Some devices require 4K resolution to be enabled in settings. Step 6. Troubleshoot if 4K doesn't play. If 4K Ultra HD doesn't work, you can restart your device and check your network or reinstall the Peacock app. You can contact support if 4K content isn't playing despite meeting all the requirements. And I have some tips for the best 4K Ultra HD experience. Use a wired Ethernet connection for stable internet, which gives you a smoother watching experience. You should avoid using VPNs or proxies as they may block 4K streaming. And you need to close all background apps that consume bandwidth during streaming to make the process more smooth. And that's how you enjoy 4K Ultra HD streaming on Peacock. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, it helps me out. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you.